Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The long, luxurious design usually associated with luxury limos and the sturdy commercial trucking architecture are strikingly combined in the proposed 2026 Kenworth Motorhome Limousine. This fictitious car imagines a custom leisure platform atop the powerful Kenworth chassis, developed to provide an unmatched experience in mobile luxury and long-distance travel. The Kenworth family's strong foundation would provide a car with significant size and built-in durability. A distinctively lengthy and opulent living area would be built on top of a sturdy and solid chassis designed for heavy-duty transportation. The iconic Kenworth front fascia would probably be included in the exterior design, but it would blend in perfectly with the limousine's longer bodywork. The overall design would aim to strike a compromise between the truck's natural toughness and the sophisticated elegance expected of a limousine, and large panoramic windows would probably be prominently featured, providing occupants with sweeping vistas of the surroundings. A strong and effective diesel engine, worthy of Kenworth's engineering expertise, would power this large truck. The powertrain would be tuned to deliver a level of fuel efficiency appropriate for long-distance driving as well as sufficient torque for smooth cruising. In order to mitigate the inherent stiffness frequently associated with commercial truck platforms and ensure a smooth and comfortable ride for passengers, a modern air suspension system would be essential. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome Limousine's interior would be the pinnacle of luxury on wheels. Picture a roomy, finely furnished cabin with luxurious, custom-made seats set up in a lounge-style arrangement. The surfaces would be embellished with high-end materials including polished metals, exotic hardwoods, and soft leather. With integrated, cutting-edge audiovisual equipment, big format monitors, and elegant ambient lighting, entertainment would be of the utmost importance. Additionally, the motorhome component would require the addition of opulent residential features. Onboard meal preparation would be possible with a hidden kitchenette furnished with high-end appliances. Long-distance travelers might benefit from a discreetly integrated restroom and possibly even a small sleeping space. The focus would be on establishing a smooth transition between the independence of a luxury RV and the utility of an upscale limousine. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome Limousine would serve a specialized market looking for a special combination of unmatched interior luxury, long-distance driving ability, and dominating presence. It would be a car made for people who want to make a statement when they travel, providing a mobile haven that blends the luxury amenities of a limousine with the toughness of a Kenworth to create an incredibly unique and luxurious experience.